Maayong adlaw! Hi mga angbo! Welcome back to my channel. If you're planning to visit Anda Bohol and you're looking for something beyond the usual beach experience, then today's destination is perfect for you. I'm here in Barangay Bakong, Anda, and today I'm taking you to the one of our most beautiful natural attractions, the famous Cabagno Cave Pool. As someone from this area, I've seen many tourists visit Anda for its white sand beaches, but not everyone knows about the amazing cave pools hidden here in Bakong. So today, I'm going to show you what makes Cabagno Cave Pool special, why tourists love it, and why you should include it in your Anda adventure. So let's go!
This road of mine, this road that I go home, so am I wrong?
Right now, we're traveling along Barangay Bakong Daguhoy Road. One thing visitors immediately notice about this area is how peaceful everything feels. No heavy traffic, no city noise, just fresh air, open landscapes, coconut trees, and the relaxing atmosphere that makes province life so enjoyable. This is one of the reasons many travelers fall in love with Anda. It's the perfect place to slow down, relax, and reconnect with nature. As we continue our journey, imagine yourself spending a few days here, exploring beaches during the day, and discovering hidden natural attractions like our Cabagno Cave Pool. Alright everyone, sit back and relax. We're almost here. We're almost on our way to the destination, the Cabagno Cave Pool. Now here's something interesting. From the outside, you might not immediately realize how incredible this place is. It looks simple and peaceful, surrounded by trees and natural scenery. But after a short walk, you'll discover one of the most unique swimming spots in Bohol. Yeah, let's head closer. Wow! Even though I've seen this place many times, it still impresses me every single visit. Now, let me show you one of the coolest things about Cavagno Cave Pool. From above, the cave opening forms a natural heart shape. How amazing is that? Nature created its own heart right here in Bakong. This is one reason why drone photographers love visiting this place. The shape becomes more visible from the air, and combined with the clear blue water, it creates a truly breathtaking view. Many visitors are surprised when they see the drone footage for the first time. From ground level, it's beautiful, but from above, it's even more impressive. And the best part is that it's surrounded by nature, making it feel peaceful and untouched. Let's take a closer look. Cabagno Cave Pool is known for its clear blue water and impressive limestone walls. The water looks inviting, especially on a warm day. You can immediately see why so many visitors stop here when exploring Anda. Look at the clarity of the water. You can see right through it. The natural rock formations around the cave create an atmosphere that's completely different from swimming in the ocean or a resort pool. It's one of those places where you can't help but stop and admire what nature has created. For photographers, content creators, and nature lovers, this place is a dream location. Of course, one of the most exciting activities here is jumping into the cave pool. Many visitors come specifically for this experience. Even though I've been here before, standing up here still gives me butterflies. But maybe it's because the water is so clear that you can really appreciate the depth. Okay, enough talking. Let's do this. But wait, di ko mo jump kay di ko kaybaw. Akong banner, akong gipalangoy diha. So the water feels so cool and refreshing. Oh, after the jump, you can simply relax, float, and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. This is one of those places where time slows down. No rush, no stress, just you and nature. And honestly, that's what makes Cabagno special. So before we end this vlog, here are a few tips for future visitors. Bring swimwear and a towel. Wear footwear with good grip because some areas can be slippery. Bring a camera or drone because you'll definitely want to capture the heart-shaped view. And most importantly, help keep Cabagno Cave Pool clean and beautiful for future generations. Thank you for joining me today here in Barangay Bakong, Anda, Bohol. If you're planning a trip to Anda, don't miss Cabagno Cave Pool. This is Angbu Janine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Bye!
This feels like what I once saw on a screen. I searched for.
Ay, Domingo, madayron bang pinagbarang yung Dave, pahay. Ligo na mo eh.